In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add menu to Wix mobile site. If your website looks great on a computer but feels confusing on a phone, adding a clear mobile menu is the quickest way to fix navigation. We'll do this inside Wix Studio, and I'll explain what each step does so you feel confident making small design tweaks along the way. First, switch your editor to the mobile view. At the top of Wix Studio, click the mobile breakpoint icon. A breakpoint is simply a version of your layout tailored to a specific screen size. Mobile has its own layout rules, so what you adjust here won't change your desktop design. This lets you optimize spacing, sizing, and navigation just for smaller screens. Next, open the elements you can add. Click the plus icon at the top left of the editor to open the Add panel. From there, go into the Menus and Search category. This is where Wix keeps all the navigation components so you can drop them into your layout without building anything from scratch. Now, choose the menu style you want. For mobile, I recommend a hamburger menu. It's the compact icon with 3 lines that expands into a full menu when tapped. It saves space, keeps your header clean, and is the pattern most visitors expect on a phone, which makes navigation fast and familiar. Simply drag the hamburger menu from the panel and drop it onto your site. For best results, place it in your header area near the top of the page so it appears consistently across your mobile pages. Align it so it's easy to reach with a thumb, typically in the top corner. As you drop it in, Wix will snap it to helpful guides so spacing stays tidy and balanced. With the menu on the page, you can edit and design it to match your brand. Select the menu and open its settings and design options. Adjust colors and contrast so the icon and text are easy to see against your header background. Tweak the icon size, corner radius, and spacing so it feels comfortable on small screens. You can choose how the menu opens, like sliding in or fading, set the overlay style, and customize fonts and text size for legibility. Your site pages usually populate the menu automatically. From there, refine labels in order so visitors can find top items quickly. And that's all. You just added a mobile-friendly menu in Wix Studio, switched to the correct view, picked a compact hamburger style, placed it cleanly, and styled it to fit your brand. Keep it simple, readable, and consistent, and your visitors will have a smoother experience on every phone.